Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Add Yours music sticker on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and for example, I'm going to upload this picture to my Instagram story. Then I'm going to use Add Yours music sticker for the story. First thing first, we need to click on the sticker icon and then select the Add Yours music, and you can add music to the Add Yours music sticker. Just click on this plus button, and I'm going to pick random music from Instagram. I'm going to select this one and click on done. Okay, and we can move the sticker to any part of our story. I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to place it right here. Then I'm going to add tags to my story. I'm just going to type in your Vav song like so and click on done. And I'm going to place it right here. And once you're ready to share your Instagram story, you just need to click on your story. Okay, and now this story is being uploaded. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Add Yours music sticker on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.